Ever wondered what's hiding 10,000 meters deep in the ocean that would leave you completely shocked? And did you know a single cow can produce so much milk in her lifetime that it could be enough for 3 generations of a family? And why is a 200-year-old cake still being preserved to this day? The answers are far more surprising than you think. Stick around till the end because these facts keep getting crazier. Number 15. We've explored 93 billion light-years into space, but we've only seen 5% of our own oceans, and what lies beneath is more mysterious than outer space itself. As you dive deeper, at 500 meters even blue whales refuse to go further, and American Navy submarines reach their limit. At 1,000 meters, sunlight vanishes completely and terrifying creatures like the black dragonfish hunt using infrared vision that human eyes can't even detect. At 3,800 meters, the Titanic silently rests on the ocean floor, and deeper still, entire rivers flow beneath the ocean. Scientists discovered one under Mexico's sea stretching 115 feet deep with its own powerful current. But the most chilling discovery came at the Mariana Trench, 11,000 meters down, the deepest known point on Earth, where a research vehicle was grabbed by something enormously powerful, and when it was pulled back to the surface, the marks left on it matched the teeth of a megalodon shark, a creature believed to have gone extinct millions of years ago. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own ocean floor, and with 95% still completely unexplored, the ocean's darkest secrets remain buried in depths we may never reach. Number 14. Has it ever happened to you that you went somewhere and forgot to take your phone along, and because of that you start panicking? So this thing is called nomophobia. People who have nomophobia start panicking quite a lot when they don't have their phone with them. That is why whenever the network goes or they are in situations where the network can go, they worry quite a lot there too. They feel that their life is at risk because they don't have their phone. Number 13. If we talk about a person who is registered as authentic for staying the oldest, then that is French woman Jean-Louise Calment living in France, who was alive for 122 years and then passed away in 1997. She is the oldest registered person in the whole world. Until now no one has been able to break her record. But you can try. Number 12. Once a man in Florida called 911, and if you think there was some big emergency, that is not the case. That man had called to complain about another police officer, and that too just because that police officer was writing a ticket very slowly. Meaning at the time when the fine was being charged, that police officer was writing the ticket so slowly that this man angrily made the call. Number 11. According to one theory, the more attracted you are to someone, the more easily you can make that person laugh, meaning naturally you become more funny in front of them, and your jokes seem funnier to them compared to anyone else. And yes, there is no fixed proof that this theory is true, but most people believe in it. Number 10. In a survey it was found that today a child studying in first grade can recognize more than 200 different company logos easily. Meaning he knows what this brand is and what it does, along with that what it sells, and he can even compare which one is better and which is not. Because earlier it was not like this. Earlier children mostly did not focus on companies at all. And the reason for this happening now call it amazing marketing or capitalist society. Number 9. You must have noticed that quite a lot of dust accumulates in the house, especially under our bed there is a lot of dust. And we think that this is just normal dust. But that is not the case. You might find it quite weird to know that the dust in our house, especially the dust under the bed, mostly does not contain soil but rather our dead cells. Meaning our body keeps making new cells and our dead cells keep falling down from our body, which we cannot notice because they are very small. But over time they spread exactly like dust, and in making the house dirty, along with dust, our dead body is also there. Number 8. This use of AI will make the ground slip from under your feet. What you are seeing on the screen is not a Hollywood movie scene, but rather it is weather channels where AR and AI are being used to show everything live, And with the help of AI, things are being explained well to people. Things like earthquakes and rain are being shown in a very interactive way. Number 7. According to psychology, people who talk about things they are genuinely interested in appear more attractive. For example, if you are interested in games, you can talk about this topic with something you both have in common, which will make you appear confident and attractive. Meaning if you have a passion for fashion, you can tell people to style their hair a certain way or give suggestions. By doing this you can appear very attractive to the other person, because it is your passion, and what is your passion, you explain it well, with a lot of enthusiasm. Number 6. Have you ever thought about how much milk a cow can give? On an average, in their lifetime, they give 200,000 glasses of milk. Meaning if you drink 2 glasses of milk daily, you can drink milk from one cow for 100,000 days, and days is around 270 years for you. Meaning if you save the milk, your future generations will also be able to drink milk. Number 5. Are there really 7 people with the same face in the world? You must have heard at some point that 7 people with your face live somewhere in this world. But in reality, this is completely false, because if you look carefully at identical twins, there is still a difference between them. And according to research, there are 8 measurements of the face, and the chances of 2 people having the same measurements is 1 in 1 trillion. Meaning this can never happen, because the world's current population is only 8 billion, meaning 992 billion more people still need to come. Number 4. Would you like to eat a 200-year-old cake? Well, if yes, it looks something like this. This cake is actually a very important cake in history, because this cake is from Queen Victoria's marriage, which has been preserved for almost 200 years, and it has not even rotted. Number 3. This is quite amazing. In Hiroshima, there is a place where there is a small flame of fire that has been burning for 60 years. Its name is the Hiroshima Flame of Peace, and it was started in 1964. It is a tribute to the people who died in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki nuclear bombs. And they say this flame will keep burning until all the nuclear bombs in this entire world are finished, meaning until those bombs are destroyed, the chances of which, by current estimates, are nearly 0. Number 2. If there are more than one fish, we call them fishes. But there is a little twist in this. If the fish are of the same species, then no matter how many fish there are, it will still be called fish. Yes, you heard absolutely right. The word fishes, which is the plural word, is used only when many fish of different species have come together. Only then you can say fishes. Otherwise it is normal fish only, whether there are thousands of fish or one fish. Number 1. The glass you accidentally broke 14 years ago can still be fixed, and the world's very first glass bottle still exists in this world. But how? Actually, glass is also a very stubborn material like plastic that doesn't decompose easily. A single glass bottle takes 1 million years to decompose. So the bottle you once broke is still lying somewhere, which you can find, get melted, and get fixed if you want.